Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. My name is Bimsola Makonjola, a YouTuber based in Lagos State, Nigeria. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, you are absolutely welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch your baby girl. And we finally hit 1,000. Yes, we finally hit 1,000, and the monetization remain and WH remain. So help me to get there in a matter of weeks. Yeah, I saw a challenge on YouTube, on delicious YouTube channel, challenging us to make a pot of egusi soup with 1,000 naira, and I'm ready for that challenge this morning. I'll be jumping right into that challenge. I don't have any cash at home right now, so I'll be going out to my ATM, collect 1,000 naira from the ATM, from the POS attendant around me. Then I go to the main market or mini market to buy stuff. If you're interested in this kind of video, yeah, let's join the challenge and let's get going. So yeah, I have my 1,000. My 1,000 naira. Let's go and see what's this one. This money is going to buy in Nigeria for today. Let's go. Ugu one. Melon.
Crayfish 200. Ungrounded 200.
Pardon me, I have to go on a voiceover at this point. So this is pepper and onion for 100 naira. This is my fish for 200. This is my palm oil for 150. My melon for 300. My pomo for 120 naira. Then my ugu for 100 naira and my Maggi cube for 20 naira as well. So in total I spent 940 naira for this pot of soup. Let's start cooking. So I'll bleach my palm oil a little bit, then I'll add my onion and fry it a little. Fry this a little bit, then I'll be going in with my melon. I blended it with my pepper and my onion, so I'll be pouring that in to allow it to fry. Immediately just started bubbling up. See the pot that was just done. This soup was everything. In fact, I never expected it. I never expected it that I'll be able to cook this pot of deliciousness with 1,000 naira. Less than. So at this point it was already coming up, it was already boiling. Please ignore my background view. I had to cook outside. I did not want the video to be dark. So yeah, I'll be going in with my banla fish, the ones with the Igbo cell. So I added in my pomo almost immediately so that they can absorb the goodness of the stew and they can marry each other very well. So that's why I did that. Then I added in my seasoning cube and my salt. Don't forget that we are working on a budget, so I did not add extra protein, no fish, no meat, no chicken, nothing. I just trying to work on that 1,000 to see how far we can go, if we can still make a pot of soup for 1,000 naira in this our current economy. And I'm so surprised that I was able to achieve it, though it didn't come with a swallow, but at least I was able to make a pot of good soup for 1,000 naira. In fact, less than 1,000 naira. If you are watching up until this point and you are yet to subscribe to the family, please do so. Subscribe to the family. Get me to 1,100 after in another 2 days. Thank you. Start going in with my vegetable, my ugu leaf, I stirred it in and I allow it simmer gently for like 3 minutes. Then I off the fire and covered it and allow it to settle. Just see the bubbling. See how the thing is just bubbling. This is nice. As in, I was so surprised I can make this with 1,000 naira or more. I am in for this challenge, so expect another 1,000 naira challenge from me very soon. Just look at it at this point, just bubbling, just simmering, just going to oh goodness, just sleep and again with this egusi soup now, and you're in paradise.
Number one, what you